This is a fan and a heatsink. What this does is it's placed on top of the processor. So if I turn it around and let's have a look at underneath, you can see that it's kind of like a sink because of just the shape of it, and it has a bit of volume to it. At the bottom you can see the copper bit, and there is also this grey stuff. Now the grey stuff is a thermal compound. When you place that on top of the processor, that small square in a computer, it's going to cool it down. That compound, when the heat runs through it, is allowing the heat to dissipate and be spread across the processor in order to make sure that when the fan is moving around, it's going to draw the heat away. So that's how it is when it comes to why a heatsink and fan is particularly important for a computer. If we look up at my build here, that is actually where the heatsink would live. It actually has to go on top of the processor, on top of the motherboard. So it's a pretty essential piece of kit if you want your computer to run, because otherwise the processor will melt just because of the extreme temperature at it's just several degrees, which would melt it outright.